I need some water. Yeah, because I've been working so hard cutting logs. Making firewood. Why do I need firewood? Well, let me share with you why I need firewood. The reason why I need firewood is because I got a new fireplace. Woo! Here's the roaring fire to prove it. Whoa, not gas. This is real wood. Whoa, isn't that a beautiful fireplace?
I mean, do you like
that
the
my wife
fireplace?
wanted with her retirement money.
Max, do you like the fire?
There's my dog Max, and there was Sammy. Whoa, zoom in. Look at that. That's real wood in there. I've been chopping wood. Well, using my saw anyways.
Oh, let's turn on the fan.
Whoa, turn up the fan so it blows more heat around the whole house, new bulb. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Turn it down, turn it up. Yeah, there's our fireplace. Woo! Yeah, what a beautiful fireplace. Why, thank you very much. I've been cutting wood. Nice fireplace, new bulb. Okay, so we're back. We've been working on 7.3. I'm working on 7.3 there. And so we were learning different things about exponentials and logs. And I think I might have made a mistake. Let me see. So 5 to the x power equals 5. Cool. And so, is that right? Yeah, so they want you to solve for x. So that's the base, though. I messed up there. It's supposed to be 5 equals, base. So it's supposed to be the base first. Wow, Newbold, wow. So it's base to the exponent. So that's going to be 5 to the x power equals 5. Yeah, so I'll cut that out of that video too. That video is going to be so edited. What? So 5x to the x. So yeah. So it basically goes like this. It goes 5 to the x power. And then equals 5. Nice. Yeah, there we go. So let's go ahead and describe what those 5s are. So the base is in blue. The base is in blue. And then we have x. And then the final solution there we'll say is in green. Wait. So base, there's the base. It's all about that base, no treble. I'm bringing exponents back. Go home and tell your friends that. Okay, let's see here. So 5 to the x power equals the solution 5. There we go. Okay, so you can guess and check. That's probably the best way to do it. So 5 to the 0 power is just 1. Oh, 5 to the first power is 5. Well, so x equals 5, x equals 1. Because 5 to the first power is 5. X equals 1. If you're not sure, you can go ahead and plug it into your calculator. Plug it into your calculator. So basically, to plug this in your calculator, you go Math button. You go to log base. And so it's log base 5 of 5. Right? Yeah. Which equals 1, because 5 to the first power is 5. Let's see. So another way you could do it is the change of base. So change of base is if your calculator doesn't have the special feature of Math button option A, log base. Now you can do that. So to do the change of base, you go ahead and do log of the top. So log of the top, so log of the green 5 divided by log of the blue 5. And we'll show you again change of base in the future. Still gives you 1. The answer is 1. So number 13, the answer is 1. So number 14, rewrite it and guess and check. 2 to what power is 16? Or plug it into your calculator. Or use the change of base. So again, the change of base is like this. So you basically put a log in there. So it'd be log, it's technically base 10 is what that is doing in your calculator. But that'll get you the same answer as log base 216, either way. Or you can go ahead and write 2 to the x power equals 16 and guess and check. So three different ways to solve these. So number 15 is going to be a little weird. So it's x to the negative 1 power, equals the solution to the negative 1. Okay. Well, just looking at that, wouldn't it have to be 2 for it to be equal to each other? Wouldn't it have to be like, wouldn't that have to be 2? So 2 to the negative 1 equals 2 to the negative 1. Well, whoa, guess and check. So if you weren't sure how to do it that way, I mean, yeah, I don't know. You'd have to write 1/2 and then 1 over x. Yeah, and then you'd have to multiply, cross multiply, x over there, 2 over there, and you get x equals 2. Yep, so that's kind of cool. Okay, ooh, what about this one though? Interesting. So how do we make, what does x have to be for these to equal each other? Okay, find the exact value of the logarithm without using a calculator. Whoa! Guess and check? Turn into an exponential, guess and check. Yeah. So turn into an exponential, then guess and check, right? Guess and check. Nice, let's give it a try. Number 17, try it on your own first. Pause me. Can you turn number 17 into an exponential? Do you know how to do that? So it starts with a base, right? Oh, just set it equal to x, right? Turn into an exponential, then guess and check. Set equal to x. Set equal to x. Set them all equal to x. Set all equal to x. Set it equal to x. Set them all equal to x. Okay, so now we can rewrite it as an exponential. So it's all about that base. So 3 to the x power equals 9 squared. And 9 squared is 81, right? 9 squared is 81. But, I mean, technically you could break this 9 down. What does 9 break down into? So 9 breaks down into 3 times 3. Okay, that's cool. And then that's all to the squared power. It's all to the squared power. But what is 3 times 3? Well, 3 times 3 is 3 squared. 2 the squared. Multiply the powers. So we have 3 to the 4th power, basically. And so 3 to the 4th power. Oh, so 4. X equals 4. Another way to do it is you could have done 3 to the x power equals 9 squared. And 9 squared is 81. And then you could guess and check. So 3 to the 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 3, 3 to the 4. And as you did that, this is called guess and check. It'd be 3 to the 1 is 3, 3 squared is 9, 3 to the 3rd power is 27, and 3 to the 4th power is 81. So 3 to the 4th power wins. 3 to the 4th power wins. So the answer to 17 is x equals 4. Try 18 on your own. So don't forget that that's 6 to the 1/4 power, just saying. The cube root, no, the 4th root of 6 is 6 to the 1/4 power. Don't forget that. Okay, rewrite it. So 5 to the x power equals 1 over 125. So first of all, I see that it's been flipped. So I'm thinking that we need a negative, right? We need like 5 to the negative 1. Because 5 to the negative 1 is 1/5. Yeah. Yeah. So another way to do this is to break this down. Let's see. So 125 could break down into 5 times 5 is 25 times 5. Yeah, I can see that. So that's 5 to the x power equals 1 over 5 to the 3rd power. Because 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 to the 3rd power. And then we want to flip it. So how do we flip that? So we bring it up and we make it negative. 5 to the negative 3 is what that is. And now we know what x is. X equals negative 3. Because 5 to the x equals 5 to the negative 3. And so technically, kind of going one more step there, you don't have to do this. But log base 5 gets rid of base 5. Yeah, so x equals negative 3. Negative 3 is our answer. Cool. Remember, this is doing it without using a calculator. Nice. Okay, so then we have try number 21, 23, 20, 20. Try 20 on your own. Ooh, so this one we're actually going to have to do something crazy first. That's interesting that they're having us do this already. So you're gonna have to condense first, okay? You're gonna have to condense first. Yeah, this is crazy. So number 21, you're gonna go ahead and condense first. To be able to do this by hand, I think you're gonna have to condense first. Maybe, let me see, maybe. Maybe not, let me see. Yeah, no, yeah, maybe. I mean, ln gets rid of e, so ln gets rid of e, so we're just left with a 6 minus 2 times ln of e to the 5th power. And those undo each other, leaving us with a 5 there. And 2 times 5 is 10. Whoa, did we get negative 4? Whoa, negative 4. That's the way to do it. Let me see. Yeah, we got that right. That works. So another way to do it is condense first. And so that would be ln of e to the 6th power minus 2 ln of e to the 5th power. And so this is called expanding and condensing. And so how we would do that is you would go ahead and bring the 2 up here, squared. And then you condense the 2 ln's into 1 ln, so that's ln e to the 6 divided by 5 times 2 is 10, so e to the 10th power. And then, let's see here, so you could reduce that, so that would be ln e to the, and then you'd have 6 e's on top and 10 e's on the bottom. And so that would be 1 over e. I don't know if this is going to work, actually. What happened there? Let me see. So e to the 6th power. So that means that, let me see here. So that would be ln of 6 of them on top. This is just another way to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 10 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this would cancel with all of these e's. And so you're left with ln of 1 over e to the 4th power. And then that would be ln, you could raise it up. So that would be ln of e to the negative 4th power. And then they cancel, leaving you just negative 4. So this way is easier. This way is easier. This way is easier. Cool. So now we want to condense, and now we want to expand logarithms. Expand logarithms. So number 24, number 23. So how do we expand logarithms? Do you remember? Well, if there's a power there, you can take it and just multiply it in front. So negative 3 times log, and then just the z. Then just the z. And I'll go ahead and prove it to you. Let's prove that power to you right now. So let's give that a try. So I'm going to go math. And so we'll just say, I don't know, log base what? Sure, log base 10 is fine. And so log base 10 of, I don't know, some number, we'll say 3. This is just an example. 2 to the 2nd power, right? And so you get some cool number. And so what we're saying is that you could put the 2 in front. So 2 log base 10 of 3, which is the same number. If you didn't like me not putting the base 10, I can go and do that again. So there's your base 10 again of 3. Yeah, so basically what we just proved is that you can put a 2 multiplied in front. Put the power multiplied in front, because you get the same answer. Yeah, so you can take the 2 and just multiply it in front. And you get the same answer. Get the same answer. Right? Get the same answer. So number 25. Ooh, condensing. We need to expand it now. Whoa. So that's the answer for 23. So 25, we need to, so what does division become? So division becomes subtraction. So this is going to split into 2 logs. So log base 7 of 3y to the 4th power minus the same, very same log base 7 of x to the 3rd power. And now all we need to do to finish off those ones is put the powers in front. So we're going to take 4 and we're going to put it in front like that. And we're going to take 3 and put it in front like that. So our final answer is going to have those powers in front. So log base 7 of 3y minus 3 log base 7 of just x, because the power 3 went in front. And so that's fully condensed is what that is, fully condensed. Fully condensed. So then we go to the next page, which we could carry on or finish our video. Let's see. So now, that was fully expanding, sorry, not condensing, that was expanding. And so now we're going to condense. And so condensed, you have to do the powers first. We're going to have to do the powers. Always do the powers first. So always do the powers first. Always do the powers first. So we're going to take that 3 and we're going to go ahead and put it in front. Nice. So now we have log base 2. Try it on your own. You got this. Plus log base 2. So log base 2, 10 plus log base 2x to the 3rd power. Now, do you know what addition becomes? So addition becomes, not subtraction, no. What's log addition become? So log addition becomes log multiplication. Multiplication. So we're going to condense these 2 logs down into 1 log base 2, and then we're going to do log multiplication. So 10 plus x to the 3rd power becomes 10 times x to the 3rd power is our answer. Is our answer for number 27. Yeah, we did that right. So try number 28 on your own. Try number 29 on your own. You got this. Try it on your own. You got this. Ooh, we got more to go. I think I need to do one more video. So thanks for watching and see you on our last video. Way-o. See you on our last video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.